Hello everyone, Will again here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video today guys, please give it a massive like. But yeah, if you've seen earlier on, I've just popped the harrows on the front of the tractor on the 3-point linkage, and we got the roller on the back, and that is because we are going over to the ground that Dad was first spreading the other day. So if you remember the last field we were in the video, there was just some bare patches, so what the plan is, we're going to run the harrows over them just to try and get some more grass to come through. And I'll pop the drone up when I get there just so you can see and I'll explain a bit more. It's actually the last field I need to roll this year, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed today guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in a bit. Hello everyone, so I'm in the field again now, and what I've done is a quick overshot on the drone so you can see exactly what I meant before. So as you can see, about half the field looks muddy and not grassy, and that is basically because in the winter it flooded and it caused the cap on the soil, so it meant the grass hasn't come through. This is obviously all reseeded last back end, so it's all new grass, but unfortunately it was so wet so it's not just quite come through well enough. Well yeah, what we're doing is basically rolling and harrowing, so we've got the springtime harrows on. So these are a bit different from the chain harrows, they're a bit less aggressive, so they don't pull as much out, they're more pulling it along I should say. And what's really good about these are able to smash all the cap off the mud, and the roller compacts it back down, but it should mean that because there's no cap, the seed can come up through. So what we'll do now, we'll cut through some drone shots so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And you should buy what I've done before, see exactly how the field looks. Right guys, so you should have seen there that it's going really well. It's smashing all this cap off and the harrows are doing a really good job. Might just lift them ever so slightly, but yeah, really happy with how it's going, and the roller's compressing it really well, so it's going really well guys. Another thing I just wanted to add, all you saw me take some tines off at the start, you might be wondering exactly why I did that, and that is because basically the harrows are wider than the roller, so if I leave them on, they harrow wider than we roll, so we're always leaving a scuffed patch on the edge, so we don't want that to happen. But yeah, it's doing really well, doing a good job. So I've just jumped out of the cab to show you guys exactly what we're doing with the tractor. So here I think there's a fairly obvious line, so if you can see up there, that's the line of where I work. This stuff is the cap stuff, you see. So this stuff is like solid and it's struggling to get the grass to come through. Where in here, this is stuff harrowed, so it's fairly dusty and there's a cap on there. So that's actually reseeded this half. well, the bits that are bare. So what I'm doing is basically working it in to make sure that the seeds grow, as well as breaking it up so the stuff there grows too. So that's basically it. That's the half that I haven't done yet, and that's that. Man, it is so dusty in here now. It's just bringing up all the dust. It's smashing through this, to be fair. I'm on the 6930 as per usual. Who doesn't love a 6930? But yeah, it's getting a bit later now. It's getting on for 7 o'clock, so the sun's dropped, the sunglasses are off, and we're just plodding along, guys. Right, guys, I've just had an amazing idea. Well, it's one of those will ideas, so it might not be so amazing, but I'm going to start a new feature, and it's just come into my head whilst I was driving the tractor because I was a bit bored. But new thing, I'm going to do tractor song guessing. I need to come up with a better name than that, but what I'm going to do is play 3 songs on the tractor. Obviously I can't play them on YouTube, but you guys have to guess what a song I am singing, or you won't be able to listen to me, but guess what 3 songs I am listening to. So we're going to start off with song number 1. Let's get the phone out. Let's pick a song that some people will be able to guess. No, you won't be able to guess that. Right. Right, this is song number 1.
So you came here 'cause you wanna be a star. Rolling into town in your daddy's old car.
So that is song number 1. By the way, these are all young farmer songs, and if you know me, you'll definitely know what this next song is. So let's start it. Ooh, hopefully you know what it is. Right, so that is song number 2, and the third one, oh, by the way, if anyone that knows me doesn't get song number 2, you're not my friend. But yeah, so we're going to go to song number 3 now. So guys, that was just a little bit of fun. So if you did guess the 3 songs, pop them in the comment section below. Something a bit different, something a bit quirky. I might do it again if people comment, but I was getting bored on the track, so couldn't think of anything to do but that. So yeah, we're just ploughing on still. What I did tell you, I'm not harrowing the whole field, obviously. As you may have seen on the drone footage, I'm only putting it down in the muddy bits, else you're just going to pull up nice grass that's growing through, so we don't want to be doing that. So yeah, basically, that was the phone, I think. Yeah, it's going down where it's muddy, going up where it's grown, and we're rolling everything, so fairly straightforward. Doing a cracking job. Cracking. So guys, I think it is going to be a pretty short video today, guys. Any more questions, pop them in the comment section below. It's a fairly straightforward job, just smashing the soil just to get some stuff growing. But yeah guys, another video done, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a like. I really appreciate it. The last couple of videos haven't got so many views. I don't know why. If anyone can tell me if they've been a bit poor, I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep them interesting and stuff that is different. This time of year we're doing a lot of spring work with the fields, so that's what I'm trying to get the videos up. But if you prefer the sheep, we can do more sheep stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching today guys. Please give the channel a subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you, bye.